Welcome to our garage, our next one-room challenge. Hey guys, Chloe here, and welcome back to our channel, as well as round 2 of the one-room challenge. If you didn't already catch it, last fall we did the one-room challenge for the very first time, and we showcased our master bedroom. Definitely a challenge for sure. So if you want to go check out those 6 videos, I made a couple of mistakes, but I was definitely happy with the end result. So if you want to go ahead and check out the first time we did the one room challenge, you can check it out, links below. But this is round 2 for us. So this is the spring challenge. One room challenge is a multi-week process where everyone gets together and showcases one room of their home that they want to transform, either DIY or designer, and make it into something new and refreshing or completely different. And so, yeah, I really like the idea and the concept of the one room challenge because it's part of this bigger community and you're all in it together, and you have a specific time you start and a specific time you end. And so it kind of keeps my feet to the fire, so to say, and to focus on one room and one room only. Because like I said in the last one, I'm all over the place with this house, especially because it's a fixer-upper. And if you have seen our home tour videos, you will clearly understand. There's a lot going on and a lot of projects. But for this one room challenge, I really wanted to focus on our garage. I know it's a little out there. It's not the first thing you go to when you think of like, let me make over a room. Because for one, especially even with the master bedroom, hardly anyone ever sees that when they come over, right? Same with the garage. No one goes in your garage for the most part. They're never even showcased in real estate properties when you're buying and selling a house. It's just kind of like an overlooked room of your home, because they mostly look like this, a hodgepodge mess galore. But for us and our current situation, I've got a lot of projects to do and I want to do a lot of DIY. And in order to do that, I need a great space where I can really work. In some of my previous videos, I was showcasing my mom and I redoing a beautiful, like over 75-year-old desk that I bought for the master. But we're in this tiny confined little part of our garage because the rest of it was just filled over. Not fun times, for sure. So we need to kind of clean up, clear out, and which I have done quite a lot, mind you. Oh, don't judge. But more so, be able to get all of this stuff, or at least as much as possible, up off the floor and onto the walls. That is the #1 plan. Also, get rid of the paint. Another mellow yellow going on in this room as well as all the other rooms. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to making over this space. For those of you who don't know, Curiously, my husband and myself, we created this space online to showcase a few different things of our life. One, we host pretty cool cooking experiences where we showcase a place that we've traveled to before and we recreate a meal that inspires us from that place, and showcasing the whole trip that we had to that location during that one video, which is really exciting. A great way to capture our past memories, but then also travel while we're stuck at home. Another thing that we've been doing on our channel is renovating our half-acre home in San Diego, California. Yeah, so it's a 70s build. It's got a lot of work. It was partially renovated from the previous owner, but the outside has not been touched. and for the most part, somewhat the garage. So this space is getting a makeover for sure. One of the main things I want to focus on are getting all of these boxes, which are filled, by the way, with important things. Important, I swear. They're all important. But getting these boxes off of the floor and up into actual storage spaces, we really want to be able to utilize this garage as much as possible. We store a lot of items in here, clearly, but we also want to be able to do things like projects and gardening, working out, putting our equipment down here will be lovely, and maybe one day park our cars in here. I mean, it's kind of a crazy thing to say, right? Who parks their car in the garage? We don't have space. But we'd love to. We'd love to utilize the garage for what it was intended to do. Park the cars. So stay tuned for the next few videos. We're gonna transform this space. I'll show you the whole design, what I have planned. We're gonna paint. We're gonna put up shelving, different knick-knack things for storage. Really get this place looking its best and function. So stick with me, take a minute and subscribe, because over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to be posting a video of the progress of this whole space and its complete transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!